Hey guys, hope you're doing very well and you're keeping safe during this lockdown. And if you are going through something, if you are affected with something, I wish you a speedy recovery. And yeah, coming to this video, I actually got this package a while ago before all of this began. But I checked right now and their website is actually functional and they are delivering. The shipment times might take a little longer though, like a week or so, but you're at least getting stuff delivered, right? So, anyway, this was not the first time I ordered from Jockey Online. I have done it so many times, and given that their collection online is so much wider than that of the offline stores, and most importantly, when you order online, you get your size. Okay, so coming back to my experience, all the stuff that I had ordered, from PJs to undershirts to t-shirts, I have loved them all. The quality is superior, it's reliable, the price is reasonable, and when you go on their website, you'll find so many different prices, and trust me, all of them are good. The price actually changes the fabric, both the feel and the longevity of the cloth and things like that. And guess what? Until today, Jockey's elastic has never disappointed, unlike some other brands which you have to keep replacing. Because if you don't replace them, you have to keep pulling them up. And that is not very convenient when you're playing cricket on the road. Trust me on that. But this time, however, I wasn't very satisfied with the quality. Not the cloth was fine, the fabric was all fine for all of them. But the stitching. As soon as I wore these shorts, my family was like, "What's wrong with your shorts?" They asked in a tone as if they thought I bought them on the road or something. So, yeah, I did not like the stitching at all this time. All the times before, I absolutely loved it, and I'm not sure why it happened that way this time. But next time, I'll probably have to think twice before ordering several pairs. We'll probably have to order one and then another and then another or so. Oh, yeah, okay. And also, when you actually shop for a lot, like 1400 or something, they give you a t-shirt. And if you shop for more, they give you a duffel bag. So anyway, surprisingly, I got my free t-shirts 3 times. Okay. But surprisingly, all the 3 times, my size was never available for the free t-shirt. And of these three, L is the biggest, which I wear as if it were some gym stretch material or something, you know? Yeah. I mean, I do have a gym membership, but let's just say it's sitting idle. Because of the lockdown, right? Yes, because of the lockdown. Hope I helped you make a better decision today. Thank you very much for watching and have a lovely day ahead.